Unleash the future of filmmaking, where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist, it empowers. Today, we're diving deep into Nano Banana AI, your groundbreaking partner for AI-powered filmmaking. Forget tedious tasks. Nano Banana is designed to revolutionize your entire production pipeline. Ever wish video editing could be faster, more intuitive? Nano Banana AI excels at streamlined editing. Imagine automatically generating perfectly cut sequences, color correction that adapts to your footage's mood, and even intelligent shot selection. But it doesn't stop at editing. Step into the realm of advanced special effects. Nano Banana can assist in generating complex visual elements, from dazzling particle systems to intricate background enhancements, all controllable with intuitive AI parameters. And for creators needing to produce content at scale, Nano Banana unlocks automated content creation. Think personalized video summaries, social media clips, or even entirely AI-generated short narratives based on your prompts. Integrating Nano Banana into your existing workflow is straightforward. We support seamless integration with your favorite filmmaking software, allowing you to leverage its AI capabilities without a complete overhaul of your setup. Mastery of Nano Banana involves understanding its AI parameter adjustments. These sliders and toggles allow you to fine-tune the AI's creative output, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your artistic vision, from subtle enhancements to bold stylistic choices. Let's look at some practical examples. Imagine enhancing a dialogue scene with AI-driven subtle emotional backing visuals, or generating a unique intro sequence for your documentary in minutes, not hours. Nano Banana empowers you to push creative boundaries and bring complex ideas to life efficiently. By leveraging Nano Banana AI, you're not just using a tool. You're embracing a new era of filmmaking, streamlining your workflow and amplifying your creative vision like never before. #Nano Banana AI #AI Filmmaking.